Hey everybody, Beacatron here. Got a new item for 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. And this item is a really good one for more protection on the truck. It is an aluminum skid plate to replace the current OEM skid plate that comes on the TRD Off-Road. And you can tell, much better quality than the one that's currently on here. That one still seems durable, but the new one is going to be much better for protection. And ordering it, I was kind of iffy because of the thickness, but let me see if I can get this thing to unblur. Look at the thickness on this thing. That's my finger. So this thing has really good thickness to it, so it would take a lot to puncture this thing. And it's made out of aluminum, so it's not as heavy as a steel one would be, but it's still pretty heavy. I'd say it's still a good 15 pounds, 10 pounds or so. Just guessing. So the first step in getting this one put on is we've got, hopefully everything stays in focus, but we have bolts to take out. So you got two bolts up front. Then you have to take off those two bolts, and then those two bolts. So it's a total of 6 bolts total. Well, 8 bolts you got to take out of the original that's on the truck. So let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's some underneath there. It's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the new skid plate goes on by attaching down there, right there, and up front. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this skid plate off, show you what it looks like, and then we're going to get the new one put on, and then we'll see what it looks like once it's installed. So let me get that done, and I will be right back. Alrighty, so I got the original skid plates off. As you can see, these come in 2 pieces that you're replacing 2 pieces with 1 piece. As you can see, I just recently got back from a hunting trip, so this truck is definitely not a pavement princess truck. It does see off-roading. That's the reason I needed a better skid plate. And then this is underneath of what it looks like without the skid plate. So now we're going to go ahead and get the, oh, and by the way, there's your oil filter. So I've seen some videos and some circulation online that you have to take the whole front end of the truck off to get to the oil filter. Not true. Just take off the skid plate, and you can actually be able to reach around the top of the skid plate if you got a good enough tool and actually get the oil filter off, but it'll spill onto the skid plate. It all depends on if you want to do that or not. But let me get the other skid plate installed, and it's going to be installed. They actually sent the bolts to install it, so you don't use the original bolts that came with the truck. They actually match the color of the skid plate. I'll show those after I get it installed. So here's the bag of bolts that they send with the skid plate. So as you can see, it matches the color. So you're not using dirty old bolts to put the new one on. It'll actually look better. So I just wanted to add into this part of the video that I don't understand why Toyota skimped on a better skid plate for a TRD off-road. Like I said, as you can see, I did off-roading in this truck. I didn't have any issues, but I just have problems trusting a skid plate that I can bend with my hands. Like you can see, I'm bending that, and it's super thin compared to the one that I just put on. So this skid plate that I just put on is from Geta, the same company that I got the mud flaps from. Definitely would give it a look. It seems good quality, much better quality than whatever this stuff is. I don't know what it is. I kind of want to do a video showing the durability of these things and just throw all kinds of stuff at it, but that's not the purpose of this video. I just wanted to show that this is why I replaced it. is if I could take a skid plate off of an off-roading truck and I can bend it like that with my hands, how's it going to hold up to real massive impact from something? Just a quick thought there. So here it is installed in some better light. I think it turned out looking pretty good. Cloudy today, but you can definitely see that it's going to look better than the old OEM black one. I wish it was sunnier, but I'm working with what I got to work with. But we'll see how she holds up. But very happy to have a better skid plate on the truck now.